Are you going shopping today? Are you going shopping today? Yes, in the evening. Yes, in the evening. Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Yes, I am opening it. Yes, I am opening it. Do you read the newspaper? Do you read the newspaper? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Yes, I am fine. Yes, I am fine. Can you send me your location? Can you send me your location? Yes, one moment. Yes, one moment. Do you need a break? Do you need a break? Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so. Can you wait a moment? Can you wait a moment? Yes, I will wait. Yes, I will wait. Are you going out today? Are you going out today? Yes, in the afternoon. Yes, in the afternoon. Do you like this song? Do you like this song? Yes, it's nice. Yes, it's nice. Can you bring me some water? Can you bring me some water? Yes, just a second. Yes, just a second. Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? Yes, very hungry. Yes, very hungry. Do you understand the rule? Do you understand the rule? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Can you clean the table? Can you clean the table? Yes, I will do it. Yes, I will do it. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yes, I am serious. Yes, I am serious. Do you enjoy learning English? Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you tell me the truth? Can you tell me the truth? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Are you finishing your work? Are you finishing your work? Yes, almost done. Yes, almost done. Do you like morning walks? Do you like morning walks? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you take this bag? Can you take this bag? Yes, give me. Yes, give me. Are you waiting for the bus? Are you waiting for the bus? Yes, it's late. Yes, it's late. Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you listen to music? Do you listen to music? Yes, daily. Yes, daily. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am very happy. Yes, I am very happy. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? No, not yet. No, not yet. Can you help me tomorrow? Can you help me tomorrow? Sure, I can. Sure, I can. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Do you know her name? Do you know her name? Yes, it's Maria. Yes, it's Maria. Can you stay here tonight? Can you stay here tonight? No, I have to go home. No, I have to go home. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, very happy. Yes, very happy.